Mimi mrefu sana, wacha nisimame hapa. First of all, I just wish to confirm to Kenyans that we have served notice of our resumption of mass action from 2nd of May, which will be Tuesday next week.
And which is a public holiday.
And as you know, we always do these on Mondays, maandamano on Mondays, but because it was a public holiday on Monday, we respect our workers, and we said we will extend that holiday by 1 day to Tuesday the 2nd. So you have a long weekend ahead of you. And we are here also with the Deputy Party Leader of ODM, Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya, who signed and actually served this letter on the police. And what you have seen here today is an attempt by Kenya Kwanza to actually destabilize us, destabilize an affiliate party, Jubilee, and destabilize Azimio ahead of our planned mass action on the 2nd. But we want to tell them that we shall not be deterred. We are prepared to face them. One of the issues we know also, as Honorable Kalonzo has said, is because of our objection to Keynan's presence in the talks. So they are trying to forcefully take over Jubilee so that they say that now Keynan is on their side. But the law is clear, and we want them to respect the law. Jeremiah Kioni, the SG, remains according to the orders as read to you by Martha Karua. The status quo remains as it was. So we are here to stand in solidarity with Jubilee and to assure Kenyans that what we are seeing is an attempt to kill multi-party democracy. We have already seen an attempt to kill devolution in this country. As we speak, counties have not received their money. As we speak, civil servants in the national government have not been paid. As we speak, workers of county governments in the Republic of Kenya have not been paid. And what we are seeing here are just sideshows. So we are inviting you to come and march with us. Our march is a march in defense of multi-party democracy, march in defense of devolution, and the march against tribalism. Kenya Kwanza has entrenched tribalism. Just look at the appointments that have been made this week alone. Same community. All key parastatals from KPA, Kenya Airports Authority, to Kenya Pipeline, Kenya Power, everywhere. We cannot go on like this.
Sure.
Let me invite Oparanya to say a word as we close. Asanteni sana.